As you can see, there is a crack on my glass. Actually, last time caused by one stone hitting on the glass around this area. Gradually it increased, and what happened is that for a long time it actually didn't crack anymore, but because of my car, it was parked inside the sheltered multi-story car park. It was not increasing at all. But then recently what happened is that I actually started parking it in the sun, in the open area, because of my work required it. Then it started to crack further, and I actually marked for a couple of days. You can see some of these markings. So last time it was here until here only. I put a mark over here, then it actually extended until here. Then again from there, it's within last 3 weeks it actually went further down until here. So yesterday when I actually put this mark here, it was actually yesterday or day before yesterday, it was until here. Then just within a day it actually extended further down, so that you can see over here. So if I was not parking it in the sunlight, it should not have caused this crack to extend furthermore. In fact, this stone hit my windshield around 1.5 years back, and the crack was just holding on without extending any further. So I just want to say that this is just because of the heat expansion. So daytime, when the sun reaches to its maximum heat, and basically my car is in the sunlight for a long period of time, it basically caused the glass to expand, and later it contract back. Once in the evening or at night, it will cool down, and the glass will start to contract. So the expansion and contraction, it caused this glass to actually break further. So I don't know how long more it's going to hold. Basically maybe like another 2 weeks. By that time it will start to fully crack and drop off. And you can see this is how it looks from outside. It actually had a crack like this. Then so another 2 days I'll change this windshield. The crack is getting very worse. Okay, so now this is a new windshield I have installed.